Welcome to the 2019 inaugural Ertz Family Foundation Golf Tournament at Black Hawk Country Club in Northern California. Zach, Julie, and the Ertz family threw a party fit for champions with tons of special guests joining their big day for a big cause. Let's get into all the action now. Brought to you by the Ertz Family Foundation, a fiscally sponsored project at Impact Philanthropy Group.
Time to get this party started.
So folks, the party has started and America's favorite couple is here. Julie, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Awesome.
Good to see you. Thanks for coming out.
Absolutely. Do you think it's going to be harder to swing with the Super Bowl ring or that gold medal?
I think the Super Bowl ring will be harder to swing with, It's on your hand as you're gripping the club. It's going to be a little more difficult, but we will overcome adversity here.
Well, we would look better swinging it with a medal ring.
Yeah.
I think that'll look quite sharp. We are here with Mama Ertz. Lisa, how are you today?
I'm great. How are you?
Awesome. What is it like for you just to see your son and his wife and what they've become?
It's honestly, to use an overused term, it's just super surreal. I really can't believe that a week and 2 days ago, Julie won the World Cup. Zach got to be there for almost the whole time. I got to go for 2 weeks. It was amazing. And then Zach's, Super Bowl was just
phenomenal. Absolutely.
I mean, what little boy doesn't dream of catching the winning touchdown in the Super Bowl? And Zach caught the winning touchdown in the Super Bowl. Yeah.
How was it in France, and what was it like to come home and receive that greeting?
Unbelievable. The support even there was amazing, but to come back and see the support firsthand, obviously back here. I'm finally kind of on the time zone a little bit. We finally got some sleep off a celebration, so super excited to kind of restart the party here at the golf club.
What was it like to see her achieve that out there?
Yeah, it was incredible. I've seen the hard work for the past 4 years, really since we've been dating. Her focus on being one of the best players she could possibly be. Is really amazing, and to be out there in France and Paris and Lyon and see all that hard work kind of come to fruition was just so special to be a part of, and I'm proud to be her husband.
What was it like when Zach brought Julie home?
I loved her from the minute
right away.
Yeah, and also the first weekend I met her, this is so cute. They were getting ready to go to my third son's basketball banquet. Uh-huh. And I came up the stairs like, guys, it's almost time to go. And Zachary was flat ironing Julie's hair. And I was like, oh boy, this is love. Like right away, I just knew this is the one,
And the whole country right now is waiting on these two to have a kid, folks. And we're waiting to see what they go into. And but my question is, what was the first date? How was this all started?
First date. Was that Chipotle? Yeah, it was Chipotle.
Fine dining in college. So.
Oh, well, the first the first date was college date. You know how it is. You meet up. We went to Chipotle. And then he took me to a nicer restaurant as the week's gone on when I've made the cut for the next date.
For them, this is a dream come true. For me, this is like the best job in the world. Being able to represent Zach and Julie at their efforts off the field, off the pitch, to do such great work in Philadelphia and here in Northern California. I'm honored to do the work, and it's great to work for your kids.
And all this fun goes to a great cause. The Ertz Family Foundation is working on the Glasshouse project, which will be bringing a recreation and education facility to the inner city youth in Philadelphia. Projects like the Ertz Family Foundation's Glasshouse are made possible with great partners and supporters like Chegg, Wendell August Forge, and the Carruthers family, to name a few. So tell us how you came in contact with the Ertzes and how this relationship was born.
Well, obviously everybody in the country knows Zach and Julie, and our company was looking to partner with somebody. And as we looked at what the foundation was doing, as we looked at the hearts of that couple, we knew this was the right partnership, and we're honored to be the presenting sponsor here today, and we're really excited about the partnership with the foundation over the long haul and all they're doing.
It's just an exciting couple to watch, and it's exciting to watch what they do on the field, and it's exciting, like today, to watch what they do off the field with the Ertz Foundation. So
this has got to be.
We were when Zach mentioned that he was, and Julie mentioned they were going to start this. We said we're in. We'll back this up because we felt it was the right thing to do, getting kids involved in sports and just good things.
Oh man, it's amazing. He's such a great role model, and obviously with the whole foundation that he started, and he's putting his best foot forward, especially to mentor some of the young guys that are thinking about getting their thing started as well. So this event, he's done a great job, and look forward to seeing what he's got on the course, though.
Absolutely. That's what you call a ball in every state.
That wasn't too bad.
That was not too bad. Ertz going yick. Ertz, you're dealing with some big-time stuff right now. You're picking a vehicle.
Yeah, I got to pick the right one. It's all about hydration.
Right.
I'm bringing the party.
Right.
So I got to pass out the drinks. I have a few to choose from.
These are big options right in front of us.
These are my options of what I'm going to drive.
Do you have any concerns if you were to take the pickup truck navigating the 18 holes in it?
Yeah, I have a tremendous worry if I was to take the big pickup. The golf cart path is very small, so I think I'm going to go with the traditional golf cart.
We got one of the hardest hitters in the game coming from the Miami Dolphins, Mr. Kiko Alonso. Good to have you out here, man.
Hey, thanks for having me.
So you and Ertz, there's been a rivalry since college, same draft class, and now it's out here on the greens. You excited to golf today?
I must say I'm a little out of my element here, so but we'll see.
Florida doesn't have you golfing all the time?
No, I'm not a golfer. I go to Topgolf. You guys know what that is?
So for America's sweethearts, who's the better golfer?
Probably me. I mean, neither of us are amazing, so we're just going to come out here, have a great time, play a little golf, mingle with everyone. Yeah. It's going to be a great day no matter how we play.
Now, let's say you're in Zach's position, get into an argument with your girl, and we're talking U.S. champion soccer player. How do you duck those kicks?
Dang, I don't know. I just saw someone 2 weeks ago get knocked out with a kick, so I don't know.
Look who's come to deliver hydration. Look at who has arrived.
My one job. I got to do it to the best of my ability.
I got you this, and launching for charity's got you covered on the rest.
Oh, all right.
Are you ready to shoot over here?
Leave until I shoot this. I don't even trust myself.
Tell her what we got going on here.
All right, Julie. Today we're raising money for your foundation with the cannon. This hole's playing about 370 yards, and we're letting the players shoot their own balls all the way to the green.
I hope I get close. I hope we get it like 2 feet. Okay, I see the flag.
Whoa.
Yes.
Whoa.
All over it.
Oh my God.
There's an athlete there.
Whoa! Okay, Ertz.
Maybe I got it at 2.
We're gonna play your ball.
That is awesome. Wait, how far do you think that went?
3-7.
That was seriously one of the most fun things I've done. Now I'm like so stoked. Now I'm like so competitive.
Well, guys, thank you so much for what you're doing for the country and what you're doing for all these kids out here with the Ertz Family Foundation.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thanks, Charles.
And that'll do it for the 2019 Ertz Family Foundation Part T. Another special thank you to all the sponsors that made it possible. Wendell August Forge, Sheg, the Carruthers family, and many more. Thanks for your continued support of the Ertz Family Foundation, a fiscally sponsored project at Impact Philanthropy Group. For more information or to get involved, visit ertzfamilyfoundation.org. And we'll be seeing you at the 2020 Part T. Cheers.